Viruses and bacteria have been a great threat and have caused a lot of damage to humans. Despite being microscopic, both have and could cause millions to become sick or die. Viruses, DNA or RNA covered in a protein coat or capsid, and bacteria, prokaryotic organisms without bound organelles containing plasmids or circular strands of DNA, have produced numerous infectious diseases since 430 BC. Harsh diseases have been prevalent in history throughout most continents, for example Europe's Black Plague in the 1300s and Africa's Ebola outbreak in 2014. Before the 1900s, disease was humanity's biggest killer, causing half of all deaths. Nowadays, they cause less than 25% of deaths worldwide, mostly in poor areas. However, the World Health Organization and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention have very grim thoughts about diseases, believing they may eventually cause extreme death tolls. These claims come with several factors. Firstly, living regions and pathogen transmission. Farming and rural regions are vulnerable to different livestock infections, including avian flu from ducks, salmonella from chickens, and tuberculosis from cows. These animals can spawn pathogens, which can jump to humans and mutate to cause sickness. Differently, cities are densely crowded, meaning pathogens can be passed easily from person to person, for example, the Toronto SARS epidemic. The riskiest region is the tropics, due to high pathogen diversity. Today, there are around 984 viruses, which can be spread from wild animals to humans. Therefore, the next big disease could be zoonotic, perhaps Lassa fever, Nipah, or Zika. Secondly, genetic mutation and antibiotic resistance. A virus can mutate, change its coding to become difficult to cure, while bacteria can develop an antibiotic resistance, meaning some medication will become useless. Thirdly, vaccinations. Vaccines take months to make, test, and distribute. So in case of outbreak, many deaths could occur before treatment is released. Also, the process of bringing a vaccine to market is $1 billion. Only some companies could handle these expenses.